In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do e-commerce email marketing with HubSpot. Understanding how to effectively utilize e-commerce email marketing can significantly enhance your ability to reach customers and boost your sales. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, head over to the website Pages section. This is your gateway to managing your online presence and plays a role in setting the stage for your email marketing campaigns. As you scan the dashboard, make sure you know where this section is, as it's integral to all further actions. Next, direct your attention to the Marketing tab. Clicking on Marketing will unlock a suite of tools and features that HubSpot offers to empower your marketing strategies. This section is the cornerstone for all your marketing endeavors, providing access to crucial features like SEO optimization, content creation, and more importantly, your email marketing toolkit. From here, you'll want to click on Email. This will bring you directly into the heart of HubSpot's email tools. The email section is designed to make it easy for you to create, personalize, and manage your email communications. It's here that you'll craft the emails that will reach out to your audience, existing customers, and potential clients. Remember, your emails should not only be informative but also engaging to ensure they capture the recipient's attention and spur interaction with your content. After accessing the email section, your attention will fall to a very helpful feature, the use of email templates. Click on Use Template. HubSpot provides a variety of pre-designed email templates to choose from, which can be tailored to suit your brand's unique style and messaging. Utilizing these templates can save time and ensure that your emails maintain a professional look and feel. Templates are especially handy if you're juggling multiple tasks, as they allow you to focus more on content rather than design. As you explore the templates, consider what will resonate most with your audience. Tailoring your emails with personalized content related to their interests and previous interactions can drastically improve engagement rates. Experiment with different templates and layouts to see what garners the best response. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be better equipped to harness the power of HubSpot in your e-commerce email marketing efforts. Remember, the key to effective email marketing is creating messages that are not only visually appealing, but also valuable and relevant to your audience. As you become more familiar with HubSpot's tools, your efficiency and success with email marketing will likely grow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Let's keep transforming your marketing strategies, one email at a time.